Welcome to MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we bring you all the latest updates on what's happening around the world. I'm your host, Kelvyn Boy. Now here's what we have for you today. Samini talks about past intention to sign Kelvyn Boy. The virtual BET 2020 HipHop Award packed a punch, and people raise funds for a potential new movie, Aquaman. Legendary reggae dancehall artist Samini recently shared that he initially wanted to sign Kelvyn Boy. During an interview, Samini discussed working with Kelvyn Boy on the young artist's new album. He remarked that Kelvyn Boy used to back him during several performances and has grown since joining the spotlight. Samini then continued to share that he had every intention of signing Kelvyn Boy before he signed Stonebwoy. Some fans, though, think that Samini has a habit of always getting mixed up in Stonebwoy and Kelvyn Boy's affairs. Leave the boys alone. What is your take on the whole situation? Let us know at MX24GH. The annual BET HipHop Awards took place without a hitch. Megan Thee Stallion took home 3 awards: the Best Hip Hop Artist of the Year, Best Collaboration, and Hustler of the Year. UK's Stormzy went home with the Best International Flow, while late rapper Pop Smoke was awarded the Best New Hip Hop Artist, but it's unfortunate that he's gone so soon. The live performances were an experience, including Jhené Aiko and Big Sean's performing their song Body Language for the first time on stage, and Burna Boy graced the stage while sharing a message about the NSARS protest going on in Nigeria. All in all, it was a wonderful COVID event. Now, who hasn't watched Suicide Squad? Director James Gunn, the director who brought us Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1 and 2, has shared the details about the second installment, The Suicide Squad. The sequel has already declared some powerful additions to the movie, including Idris Elba, John Cena, and Pete Davidson, who are all set to star in the sequel. But that's not all. Not only will the deadly squad be fighting villains, they will also be pitted against each other. So, that should be something to look out for. Though filming wrapped up in February 2020, the movie is set to be aired at the end of 2021. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely excited to see what they have in store for us. Still on superhero movies, Kickstarter, a crowdfunding company, is gaining money for a very strange new movie. Aquaman, a superhero created by mixing the DNA of a human with that of an apple, is a movie project trying to gain funds to shoot the full-length movie. The trailer has already started to gain attention from critics who call it a mixture of the series The Boys, movie franchise X-Men, and popular cartoon Cloudy with a Chance of Meatball. The storyline is meant to be the superhero version of a healthy lifestyle versus an unhealthy lifestyle. Anyway, do you think a Barbie doll could be an insult to your culture? Well, surprise, surprise, the internet is divided. In celebration of Mexico's Day of the Dead every year, a new personalized Barbie is released and named Catrina. Several Mexicans are outraged as they feel the doll manufacturers are capitalizing on a very solemn but important day and are trivializing it. Some go as far as claiming culture appropriation. Day of the Dead is a Mexican celebration on November 1 to 2, where they believe the barrier between the living and the dead is the thinnest, allowing them to pay their respects to family and friends gone too soon. The celebration has gained awareness thanks to immigration and movies such as Coco. Several, however, do view the larger audience as a chance to share their culture with the world. I mean, who knew a Barbie doll could have so much controversy? And last but not least, our very own Miss Drew walked away with the coveted title of the Best TV Presenter of 2020 at the Ghana Youth Entertainment Awards. And she is right here with us via Zoom. Let's talk to Miss Drew. Hey, we heard you're a recipient of the Ghana Youth Entertainment Award. You are the best host for 2020? Is it?
Best TV
presenter. Best TV presenter. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I mean, I amazing. I never expected it, honestly, guys. I never, ever expected it. But you guys have shown me so much support. Young girl from the UK that has come to Ghana only 2 years. And look, you guys are showing me how much, so much love. I'm overwhelmed.
So, Drew, didn't you face any type of challenges when you came to Ghana?
Wow. I mean, there's always challenges wherever you go, right? But it just depends on how strong of a person you are. I got plenty of stripes. I mean, nothing can take me down.
Oh, you mean.
But no, definitely lots of challenges, not being able to speak the language, trying to just be able to be accepted. But God has been good, man. It's been amazing.
So what's your secret?
Secret?
Yeah,
I don't have any secrets. I mean, I'm so open to the world. The only thing I would say is continue to just be yourself. Do you, because no one else can do you like you. And if they don't like you, somebody will like you. So, yeah.
So what is the plan going forward?
The plan? Do I have a plan? Well, I mean, yes, we conquered Best TV Presenter 2020. Praying we receive it every single year. Bigger awards as well. But Drew is trying to be international, so not just Ghana. We're going everywhere.
What you say?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Say everywhere.
Mm-hmm. International. All around the world. Everywhere in the world is going to know who Miss Drew is.
All right, Drew. Drew, we love you. Big up yourself. We'll see you.
Yes.
We'll see you soon at MX Breaks.
You.
A hearty congrats to Miss Drew. Big up yourself, Miss Drew. Very, very big congratulations. And that's all we have for you today on MX Breaks. Join us tomorrow when we have some more exciting topics to give you. My name is Kelvyn Boy. I'll see you tomorrow.